The Chevrolet Caravan Comodoro SL/E 1990 is a notable entry in Chevrolet's lineup, especially in the South American market, where it was highly appreciated for its combination of style, comfort, and performance. The Caravan, essentially a station wagon variant of the Chevrolet Opala, was produced by General Motors do Brasil and became a popular choice among families and car enthusiasts alike. Design and features. The 1990 model maintained the classic boxy station wagon shape that was prevalent during that era. It featured clean lines and a robust build, which gave it a timeless appeal. The front end of the Caravan was characterized by its rectangular headlights, a wide grille with the Chevrolet logo, and chrome accents that added a touch of sophistication. The Caravan's large dimensions offered ample interior space, making it ideal for families and long-distance travel. The SL/E trim was known for its comfortable interior, featuring plush seats, quality materials, and ample legroom. The design focused on providing a comfortable ride for all passengers. The dashboard was functional, with analog dials and straightforward controls. The use of wood trim and chrome accents gave the interior a luxurious feel. As a station wagon, the Caravan offered significant cargo space, making it a practical choice for those needing to transport large items or luggage. Engine and performance. The 1990 Caravan Comodoro SL/E was typically equipped with a robust inline-six engine, which was known for its reliability and smooth performance. Engine displacement varied, with options like the 4.1L 250 cubic inches engine being popular. The engine produced respectable horsepower and torque figures for its time, providing adequate power for both city driving and highway cruising. It was available with either a manual or automatic transmission, allowing drivers to choose based on their preference for control or convenience. The Caravan was praised for its comfortable ride, with suspension tuning that absorbed road imperfections well. While not a sports car, its handling was stable and predictable. The braking system, including disc brakes at the front, was effective for the vehicle's size and weight. Safety features were basic compared to modern standards, but included essential elements like seat belts and a solid build. Cultural and market impact. The Caravan Comodoro SL/E was popular among Brazilian families and executives looking for a stylish yet practical vehicle. Its versatility and reputation for reliability contributed to its success. Over the years, the Caravan became somewhat of a cultural icon in Brazil, symbolizing the automotive trends of the late 20th century. It was often featured in movies and TV shows of the era. Conclusion. The Chevrolet Caravan Comodoro SL/E 1990 stands as a testament to Chevrolet's ability to adapt global models to local markets, creating vehicles that resonate with consumers' needs and preferences. Its blend of practicality, performance, and style made it a standout in its era, and its legacy continues to be celebrated by car enthusiasts around the world. Whether viewed as a family vehicle or a piece of automotive history, the Caravan Comodoro SL/E remains an important part of Chevrolet's legacy in Brazil.